Hello friends, so today let's discuss question 3 from exercise 1.1. At Srinagar, temperature was negative 5 degrees Celsius on Monday and then it dropped by 2 degrees Celsius on Tuesday. What was the temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday? On Wednesday, it rose by 4 degrees Celsius. What was the temperature on this day? So you have to answer two questions, the temperature on Tuesday and the temperature on Wednesday. Now let's see how we work this out. What is given? At Srinagar, the temperature was minus 5 degrees Celsius on Monday. So we will write that down. Temperature on Monday is equal to negative 5 degree Celsius. Okay. So that's the temperature on Monday. Then it is saying that it dropped by 2 degrees Celsius on Tuesday. Dropped means it has decreased. It has decreased compared to Monday. It has gone down on Tuesday. So whenever it is decreasing, we have to subtract. Okay. So temperature on Tuesday will be the temperature on Monday minus 2. Why? Because on Tuesday it has dropped by 2 degrees Celsius, means you have to subtract 2 from Monday's temperature. So by substituting, Monday's temperature is negative 5. So I get negative 5 minus 2. So here it is negative and negative, means I have to add because they are the same signs and the answer will be negative. So 5 plus 2 is 7 and the answer will be negative because both the numbers in the question are negative. So my answer is minus 7 degree Celsius. Okay. Minus 7 degree Celsius is my answer for the temperature on Tuesday. Now coming to the second part of the question. On Wednesday, it rose by 4 degrees Celsius. Rose by 4 degrees Celsius means it increased by 4 degrees Celsius. Okay. So temperature on Wednesday equal to, it increased by 4 degrees Celsius. So it is something plus 4. And that something is the temperature on Tuesday, not the temperature on Monday. Remember, for the temperature on Wednesday, it is temperature on Tuesday plus 4. So whatever is the temperature on Tuesday plus 4. Why plus 4? Because it rose by 4 degrees Celsius, means increased by 4 degrees Celsius. So you are adding. Okay. Now what was the temperature on Tuesday? It was negative 7. Okay. Plus 4, and that's equal to, you have a negative here and a positive here, means you have to subtract and the answer will be having a negative sign because 7 is the greater number. Okay. So the answer will be 7 minus 4 3 7 minus 4 3, and it will be a negative number. So negative 3 degree Celsius is the temperature on Wednesday. Hope that's clear. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos. Press the bell icon to get the notifications when new videos are getting uploaded. Thank you.